Iran trembling with death toll. Covid-19 brutally treating the nation. Corona is not letting any nation take a breath in peace. Nation after nation are on target of this novel coronavirus. After destructing China to its utmost, Covid-19 has found its new host. Yes, it's none other than the neighbor, Iran. Trembling with the terror of coronavirus, Iran is struggling to survive. This is Earthy Perks, with a new episode of latest update from the grounds of Iran, battling against the brutal coronavirus. Iran coronavirus death toll passes 1,000. The country has reported 18,407 confirmed cases of COVID-19 and 1,284 related deaths in the past month. The government has closed schools, universities, and shrines, and banned cultural and religious gatherings in an attempt to contain the spread of the disease. According to the government spokesman, at the current rate, 50 new cases of infection are detected every hour and 1 death recorded every 10 minutes. Dr. Afrouz Islami said, if people begin to cooperate now, Iran will see 120,000 infections and 12,000 deaths before the outbreak is over. If they offer medium cooperation, there will be 300,000 cases and 110,000 deaths, she added. If the medical facilities are not sufficient, there will be 4 million cases and 3.5 million people will die, she said. At least 12 Iranian politicians and officials, both sitting and former, have now died of the illness, and 13 more have been infected and are either in quarantine or being treated. All the religious activities are postponed in context for Persian New Year. Iran has urged people to stay at home during Nowruz, the Persian New Year, warning that the coronavirus disease is currently killing 1 person every 10 minutes. Iran's Revolutionary Guards are to clear the streets, shops, and public places in the country within the next 24 hours, in a dramatic escalation of efforts to combat the spread of coronavirus. As many as 1,000 fixed and mobile detection clinics were being set up as part of the plan. Army factories produced face masks and gloves, and 6,000 Army hospital beds were being made available. Iran couldn't immediately start rapid testing for coronavirus following the suspected cases in the country, due to sanctions by the US disallowing access to test kits and drug imports. China, however, came to Iran's rescue and has sent coronavirus test kits and traditional medicines to treat coronavirus patients. Clothes and face masks are also being shipped by China in support of Iran's efforts to contain the outbreak. The World Health Organization, WHO, too has started sending coronavirus test kits to Iran. Across Iran, 40 laboratories have been facilitated to perform coronavirus testing. The Iranian government released more than 120,000 prisoners following cases in prisons, such as the one in Evin, Tehran. Already under a deep strain, Iran has to fight on the economic grounds too. Hydrocarbons, oil and gas, are a crucial sector for Iran. Due to restricted movement, they are going to lose. Iran has the 2nd biggest natural gas reserves in the world and the 4th biggest oil reserves. It is predicted to lose a significant chunk of its state revenues if the oil price wars and the fall in price continue. Let's see what shows up next for Iran. This is Earthy Perks, signing off with a motive that let's battle against this pandemic together as united we stand, divided we fall. Stay tuned for latest updates in coming days. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home, and keep watching Earthy Perks.